Hello Oscilloscope Masters, thanks so much for joining. Apologies if you were affected by the technical issues at checkout the other day. We have got that sorted now, so extended the deadline a little bit and hopefully you've made it inside. So in this video I'm going to run you through all of the benefits that you've just signed up for on this amazing lifetime oscilloscope training package. We'll talk about how you access all of the training, the live sessions that we've got available, plus the exclusive training event we're going to put on, all the courses we've got and where's the best place to start, and all the different ways you can watch the videos, and then a bit on the amazing technical support community that you've also got access to. First of all, you can log in at mechanicmindset.com or download the mobile app, search Mechanic Mindset on the App Store. It's a really good way to keep up with your training and access the community. Now first I'm going to talk about live sessions and how you access them. The 6-part exclusive live training session I mentioned starts on the 12th of October. We're going to send out more details about that soon, and we'll add a course on Mechanic Mindset called Oscilloscope Masters Live. That's where you'll be able to access all of those live sessions plus the recordings. In addition to this, you get access to the monthly live sessions that we run with the Diagnostic Coach program. There's 2 ways you can get to that. So if you're on the website, you've got the live training tab here, or you can go to the courses tab and search for the live training course. That's how you can access it through the app as well. Just look for that live training course. Once you're in there, you will see that you get a link to join the next live training session. Plus, look, there's 48 recorded live training sessions in there already, including the one that we just recently did with our special guest Simon on master reference waveforms. You can also download all of the waveforms there, and they can be opened with the Oscilloscope 7 automotive software. Sometimes we do use the TNM software, but mostly it's the automotive software. So there's lots to keep you busy if you find yourself with an hour or so spare and want to top up on some oscilloscopes or other diagnostic topics. For the monthly live training, we're giving you 12 months access plus all the recordings. So the recordings will stay with you for life. They are included in the lifetime package. Now on to the courses. So the courses can be accessed here on this tab. There's a tab at the bottom of the app called Courses, and you can search and access them there as well. There are a few courses in here already, including the one from our great friend Terry over in Australia, who loves oscilloscopes as well and makes some videos for us. I'd say the main one to get started with if you're new to oscilloscopes is this one here called Automotive Oscilloscope Diagnostics. When you go on there, you can see that we've got all these different chapters with different lessons inside, and if you look at the lessons, we've also put a guideline of how long each of those videos are, okay? You can also, on the video player, use a feature which allows you to increase the speed of the videos, which is really good if you want to get through some lessons very quickly. If you'd like to use closed captions for English or translated subtitles, you can turn them on here and then change the language in the settings icon. The lessons also come with downloads, as you can see here in this FlexRay lesson, where you can actually have a look at the files we created during that lesson and do some analysis yourself. So in addition to those courses, we also have a collection of oscilloscope equipment lessons. There's some lessons in there for different brands of oscilloscope as well. We have our 2 picoscope courses. So the Oscilloscope 6 has lots of lessons in there on how to use all the settings for automotive diagnostics. Now, although that software is no longer being supported, there is still lots of great oscilloscope lessons in there. I really urge you to take a look. Now, if you're still on Pico 6 and looking to get into Pico 7, we created this intro course, which is a short course to just give you the run through of where you find the things in the new software. In addition to that, of course, we are building the Oscilloscope 7 for automotive course. As we said, we are still maintaining these courses for at least the next 12 months, if not longer. So we're going to be adding more lessons to these over the next year as the Oscilloscope 7 software continues to evolve. In addition to this, we've got a whole course on pulse sensor diagnostics. We did from absolute basics on our old little BMW engine and showed you how to go through the basics of pulse sensor diagnostics, plus going through lots of different fault scenarios, making valve and mechanical issues to see what those pulse sensor waveforms look like. Now that is really interesting because there are some really funny looking waveforms. We've also made a start on the NVH course. Now, although this isn't an oscilloscope product, it is a picoscope product, so we've put it in the package as well. We still have some more lessons to add to that, but there's a really good chapter in there on diagnosing an engine noise and some of the different ways you can do it using the NVH or oscilloscope. There are some other bonus courses in there like the YouTube waveform library. That's got a list of all our YouTube videos with the waveforms to go with it. Talking about the waveform library, we now have our very own waveform library called Waiyv. You can access it from that tab on the dashboard and just click here to go to the login page. There's a video and some instructions of how you set this up. We've given you a 10-year license along with this Oscilloscope Masters package, so make sure you get the most of that. Currently it's not available outside of Mechanic Mindset. We're still building up the files in here, so it'll be good to get in there and share some of the files that you've taken in the past. The main thing to consider when setting up your Waiyv account is on the register page, make sure you use the exact same email and name as you did with the Mechanic Mindset account. That way, when you go to log in, it will already have your premium access account ready. One of the other features that you have got on here is the video library. What we do is put every single video we make in the courses and the live sessions into a library. One of the benefits of this is it's really easy to search. So if you go on here and look for trigger, you can see that all of our videos regarding trigger come up. So it's a really nice way to access all of those videos and search for what you're looking for. You can see here that we've also got the Diagnostic Coach library. Highly recommend checking that out if you're into the wider world of learning with diagnostics. And we've also got the live recording video library as well. What I will say is that if you want to watch the live recordings and get the waveform downloads, do it via the courses section. We have all the same videos in here, except that we can add the waveform downloads as well. Watching via the course also records your progress, so you can come back to it later. Now we get onto the Mechanic Mindset Technical Support Community. Now I'm very fortunate to have so many amazing members inside Mechanic Mindset, those people who are going on there for asking support, but as well, very importantly, the people who are taking their own time to help you. Now, anything goes in here. Don't be worried about asking any questions. We've got some guidelines at the top, but as you can see, people will jump here and give you any advice and support they can. I do my best to get involved in the community, but it's actually got quite busy now, so I try and check it every day if I can. That being said, it has got quite busy in the community lately, and you may be getting emails for community posts that you don't really want to see. Now, that's absolutely fine. If you go to the settings section on your dashboard, you'll get this community emails tab here. If you don't want to receive any of those community email posts, just turn these two off at the bottom here and save. Don't turn off these two here, because if you put any posts on the community and someone replies, you'll get the notification when you're tagged into that reply. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what you've got access to. I'm really looking forward to supporting you on your oscilloscope diagnostic learning journey. Please do share any feedback on different types of lessons you might want to see, because that will help us make sure we build you the best package that's going to last you a lifetime. Hope to see you at the next live session.